Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know about the iPad OS 18.2 because their tablet is running either in iPad 17 series or iPad 18. So they are skeptical about this new update, whether there will be any screen flickering or green line issue, or there is any battery drainage issue, because many customers were complaining that they are facing battery issues in iPad OS 18.1. I have been using this iPadOS 18.2 for a couple of days, and in this video I will talk mostly about the battery life and the performance improvements. Whenever you will update your iPad to iPadOS 18.2, you can see that the storage will be decreased and you will get more storage in case of iPad OS and system data. However, this storage will be filled up in due course of time, but I can say it that iPadOS is very secure and it gives a lot of customization features to your iPad. Previously, many customers actually faced the issue of screen flickering on their iPad 10th generation, but in this iPadOS 18.2 I did not encounter any kind of screen flickering. So in this respect, this is a very good update. You can see that the performance on YouTube in 4K 60 FPS video is as smooth as it was before. So in terms of screen flickering, there is no issue in this update. Now if you want to know about the battery life and the battery drainage, I can say that the battery life is very good in this iPadOS 18.2. I am getting very good battery life. Around 9 hours plus screen on time is there on a single charge, which is incredible. In order to get 9 hours plus SOT on a single charge, you have to do some customization, such as turn off the background app refresh and turn off sub location services. In that case you will get great battery life. After that I checked the lock screen and there are no such improvements. However, the improvements are mostly internal. Externally you will not see any improvements. There is no new wallpaper added in this iPadOS 18.2. All the wallpapers were previously available along with iPadOS 18. Also in the lock screen page you can see there are little bit of customization and new things are not available in this iPadOS 18. All these improvements were previously available. So in the conclusion, if you want to update your iPad Air, iPad 10th generation or any other update to the latest version of iPadOS 18.2, you can definitely update to the latest version. And if your iPad is out of warranty, in that case you have to think twice whether you want to update to the latest version or not. And if you are skeptical about this update and you are getting better battery life and better improvements and better performance from your existing iPadOS, in that case you don't need to update to the latest version. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to update to the latest version or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.